I'm Marissa Voorhees. I'm a caterer, party planner, personal chef, and holistic health coach. Get nourished with Catering by Marissa's Kitchen. So today we are making a banana, oatmeal, milk, and OJ smoothie. It's kind of like breakfast in a smoothie cup, and I'm totally cool with that. That's the best part about smoothies. So this one, a few simple ingredients, a couple of quick blends in the processor, and you're on your way to enjoying a delicious and satisfying breakfast. So my trick is to use raw oats, and I'm going to do half a cup of raw oats in this, as some spill. The thing with raw oats versus cooked oats, I find raw oats are much better in smoothies, simply because once oats are cooked, as you know, they stick to your ribs. Well, they also stick to your blender, and they stick to everything, including making a very gummy smoothie. So I find raw oats works best. But the way to use raw oats when you're doing smoothies is to mix. So we're going to do a cup of almond milk. I chose almond milk. Again, you can choose whichever milk you'd like, but for this one I'm doing almond milk. Now with all of mine, they're all dairy-free milks, but you can do whichever ones you like. Half a cup of raw oats, and you're going to do 2 tablespoons to 1/4 a cup of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you like things. So all of this goes in. You're going to blend it initially before you add the final 2 ingredients, the banana and OJ, to help break down the oats and soften them a little bit so they'll be perfect in your smoothie. So now we're going to blend. So once you've got your oaty milk, as you might call it, it's the nicely blended almond milk with the oats broken down nice and fine, you're going to add the bananas and the OJ. I'm going to add 2 bananas and a big heaping tablespoon of orange juice concentrate. Now, a little goes a long way, so just a tablespoon will give it a really nice orange flavor. If you like a little bit more, add a little bit more. Great, and once it's been blended, you will add that in to your cup and enjoy. Have a good day. I'm Marissa Voorhees, the food sensitive foodie. I hope you make sure you nourish, love, and celebrate today.